Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can free up space on Nintendo Switch. There are many things that you can do, however, I believe the most important one, or the biggest one that you can do, is to simply remove games from Nintendo Switch that you don't play anymore. So you can select the game that you have installed on your console. You can go to the options by pressing the plus button. Then over here in data management, you can find these options like archive software, which helps you save storage space as it is described over here. And of course, if you don't need the game anymore, you can simply delete it as well. You can also manage the data, save data cloud. Sorry, not save data cloud, but save data saved on your console. You can go to the system settings, you can scroll down to data management, and then over here you have delete save data over here. If we go here, you will find bunch of different save data files that some of them might take some space. So if you have a bunch of them, you can remove them over here. You can also go to manage screenshots and videos. You can then go to manage individual images and videos. And then over here you will find all of the content that you have taken so far. So what you can do is simply delete them by pressing X. And now over here we can select which one we want to remove. And although they might not take that much space, we might still want to remove them, especially if we have a lot of them. And then over here we have the delete button, then we can confirm, and they are gone. We also have quick archive, and if we enter here, then the console will check free space, then you can select software to archive, and then you can simply archive the software in order to save some space. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!